All right. So, how are you, class? Doing well? Can I check in on you, everyone?
Okay, madam.
Thumbs up. There is a button thumbs up, sir. Ada tak thumbs up ke? Sekejap, reaction. Oh, only thumbs up. And, oh, ada. If you are not good, you can do this. Okay? Not everyone thumbs up. You can also show the not thumbs up one, opposite one. Like this. Not good. Okay, I feel not good. Why? Why, class? I show you my hand is not good. What happened? Anyone knows what happened? What happened? Ada seorang pun nak jawab. Hurry up.
Sihat ke?
Huh? No, I'm healthy. I'm good. Why is not good?
Because online.
Yes, because online. True. And because online, one thing, and because I already make it online, but the student who want to join is quite slow. It's more practicable if we do physical, that everyone will be in the classroom. But this one online, I thought it's more faster. Why is it slow to join the Zoom? Is it takes time for you? Is it difficult?
No, it's easy.
Then why still have some of you quite difficult to, join the class? It's just online. Okay, so that's why if you want to be, to choose to opt for the online, please, participate. I mean, still the same like physical. Follow the time, and it takes like now is 10 minutes, like just waiting for you to enter the room. The class online. Which is not effective, Okay. So you said every course show the what they call online class this week, is it? Most of your class is online. Can you rest? Yes. Can I see how many of you prefer face to face? Ada tak? Tak ada. Semua tak suka face to face.
Dua-dua okay, madam.
Oh, dua-dua okay. Alright. Okay, good. Both are fine. Okay. So because you are request, then I layan je lah, Alright. So it's fine. Okay, now everyone can see the screen. Before that, I want to refresh the previous topic. What is our lesson previously? Can we refresh? Ingat ke tak? What is all about? I nak buat pool. Sekejap how to share. Make it quiz. Sekejap Okay, so what is our previous topic? Okay, can everyone see the screen, the pool? Ada tak? Nampak tak?
Nampak, madam.
Nampak,
Okay.
nampak.
Can you answer the questions? Ada yang tak ada answer ni sekejap. Yang bawah tu I tak sempat buat soalan. Up until second questions ya. Patut I buat another sheet. I nak tanya satu-satu. Boleh jawab tak?
Madam, kita orang nampak project management in Malaysia je.
The pool nampak tak? Pool.
Tak nampak.
Tapi ada yang dah jawab ni. How Maybe you kena tekan something. I'm not sure how's your dashboard looks like. Can everyone help the rest? Maybe I have to stop share maybe. How about now? Boleh? Now you can see.
Ada.
Ni ada 3 je.
Ya, 3 je.
Oh,
3 je.
okay.
3 je. Yang bawah tu I tak sempat nak buat tadi. I nak try. Sebab you all minta online kan? I just prepared just now. So remember what is we learned previously is about project again. So what is the project? Most of you answer is a temporary, good, and unique. Okay, most of you are answer correctly. And now, what are the project management trade-off? Ramai yang salah ni. Still ada yang jawab tu yang bawah tu why? Tak ada soalan pun. You all ni main hentam je. Okay, 3 indicators for priority matrix are. Ni ramai yang tak betul ni. Jawab lagi nak tengok. Okay, what are the project management trade-off? Remember the golden triangle? Kenapa ada 2? Cost tu, I salah tekan ke? Remember apa dia? 3 things trade-off.
Cost, scope,
Cost. Lagi?
scope.
Scope. The same like goal, okay.
Time.
Time. So tak ada time kat sini. Okay, these 3 main things, okay. So I saja nak tengok you all jawab macam mana. So ada juga yang jawab planning, progressive. It's not, that one is you need to elaborate, okay. But the things that they have to see, only these 3 trade-off, okay. Cost, time, and objective, okay. And then the priority matrix ada indicators kan, for this to see the scope, to see the time, to see how's the condition of the project in terms of the cost. So apa dia? What they have? If the condition of the cost is critical, so they are under what? If they are critical under apa dia? Constraint. Cakap je lah. And then if they are immediate, I mean in the condition is so. I mean the between. What they call? Enhance. So if they are most flexible, so they are considered as a asset. Ramai yang confuse this one kan because of the term, is it? You just think like this. Enhance means you have the room to improve. You remember yang ni, enhance, okay? Kalau asset means that the condition is accepted by the client or everyone, the stakeholder. You just think like that. So means they are very in a good condition. Kalau you tengok level dia. Okay. So now you remember the previous one, the previous topic. Okay, so thank you. I have to stop the poll end the poll. All right. So now we go for the topic. What is the topic now? You all can see when the student join the class tak? You boleh admit tak them?
Cannot.
Cannot. Oh, so only me lah yang can see. Okay, alright, it's okay. Because I thought if you can see, then I want you to admit for me. I mean, help to admit them. So only 38. Mana yang lain ni? 37. It's quite half tak ada. Almost half. Okay, so project management in Malaysia. We continue for this topic for today. This week, for 1 hour, I will cover for your information. Tomorrow, Madam Juliana from University UiTM Pasir Gudang from the branch, she will continue to give and deliver the lecture for this course until week berapa 7 I can't remember. You can check the lesson plan, okay, for your information. How is the class delivery, either online or physical? You have to refer to the lesson plan. So basically for the Madam Juliana punya session, the class will be online. So I would say that this week your class is by start from this week will be online. Okay, clear? Then I will take over after test maybe. Okay, I will check again. All right. Okay. So for today, the learning outcome for this topic is to understand the involvement of project management in Malaysia, understand the effect of project management through economy, identify the strategic faced by Malaysian construction industry, and what? Identify the challenges faces Malaysian construction industry and recognize the importance of project management. Okay, all this while I already talked about the project management many times. So I hope that all of you have the understanding about what is the project management in overall. Okay, so we will go focus on what in the scope for Malaysia and our countries. Okay, so this one, have I ever mentioned about the client before? I teach you who is the client. Can you give me example? Dah kan? Ke tak ada? Ke kelas lain?
Government.
Government, okay. Government is too general. So who can you give a specific example? Who is the government?
KPM.
JKR.
The full name?
PSA.
The full name.
Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam.
Okay, Majlis Bandaraya lagi?
Jabatan Kerja.
Ah? Lagi? Itu je, Majlis Bandaraya je our government.
Jabatan Kerja Raya.
Jabatan Kerja Raya. Ha. Lagi? Banyak kan? Kalau I tanya all of you, one by one, you should give me the answer. All are different. Boleh? Tak boleh repeat. If I tanya Atil, then dia kena jawab. Contoh dia jawab JKR. So kalau next student, you can't answer the same what have been mentioned already. Boleh buat macam tu. Previous class I buat macam tu previous semester. In my class, I ask everyone. I want to see that you know there are many what they call client, okay, organization actually. And it's not only a few. It's a lot. Okay, so you for sure you have to give one more than what they call more than 50 names or what, okay? So it's not only a few. Okay, it's a lot. Okay, so what else? Majlis Bandaraya, JKR lagi?
Telekom Malaysia.
Telekom Malaysia, is it government? You are talking about government or you are talking about private?
Private.
Private is a Telekom Malaysia, yes. Okay, lagi?
Tenaga Nasional Berhad.
So is it private or government?
Government.
TMB. TMB is a private. Tahu ke tak?
Good.
TMB is a private Dia dah privatize. Okay. Before they are lembaga jana kuasa that one is the government long time ago. Okay, but afterward it's been privatized by Tun M. Okay, so it's no longer as a government. That's why diorang ada bonus. Sebab tu diorang rich. Okay, lagi?
LHCM.
JPS.
JPS. Jabatan Pengairan. Okay, lagi?
UiTM.
UiTM. Banyak kan? So all the ministry, you boleh cakap is a client. Okay. So parties involved, alright. There are lots of stakeholders, okay? For example, main contractor, client, consultant, local authorities. This one I already mentioned you many times, okay? And also the finished product. What is the finished product? They say what? Residential, commercial building, infrastructure. What else? Public buildings, a lot. All the civil construction is our finished product. Can see the slide? Is it moving?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now we are at what?
Hierarchy of stakeholders.
Okay. Hierarchy of stakeholders. Banyak tak? Banyak. You kena deal of this thing So if you are involved with the construction project, then you have to deal with the government departments, owner contractors, general public. So all with these stakeholders are considered in our project. Okay. So the one that work most closely, usually this one, the contractor. Nampak tak? This one, owner and contractor. So client and the contractor and also consultant, they are work closely here. Okay. This one, this team. But in order to deliver this project, sometimes you have to handle with the government. You have to get the permission, the approval, the support, and many things, okay? So you still have to deal with the government department indirectly once you have to conduct the construction project. And also this one is what? General public. So when you are construct building, okay? When you construct a building, mana suara ni? Oh, okay, this one. When you construct a building, you have to make sure that you are consider the surrounding. Okay. For example, the MRT project. Did you know that the MRT project, before they start for the construction, they already get the feedback from the communities. You all tahu tak? MRT ke, LRT project ke, national project. They will get the feedback from society, the committees. You all tahu? Did you know?
Tak tahu.
Tak tahu. So dia buat advertisement first. Dia macam like a announcement. They said, oh, what is the Malaysia planning project? So they said, oh, in the future we will have the MRT line. So what they did, it's like they are promotion and then they are getting a feedback. What they thought about this project. Dia macam nak dapatkan feedback. So why they need this feedback? Because in order for them to deliver the project, sometimes they have to consider what is the needs to the society. For example, you buat bangunan sebelah hospital. Contoh. Okay. Do you think you will have a limitation in conducting or in delivering the construction works? Hospital. You rasa ada limitation tak? In terms of time, in terms of a sound. Sebab hospital ni. So what do you think? You are the project sebelah hospital. What you have to consider?
Noise.
Noise. Okay, lagi?
Public access.
Public access. Okay, lagi. So ada things sometimes we don't realize pun benda tu, but actually you have to consider in every project. Okay, for example like that just now I give example about the hospital. So it's all about noise. When talk about noise, when we have the project what they call operation, you are the piling at the phase. Do you think you can conduct a piling during daytime or night time? Bila you nak buat? Sebab hospital sentiasa ada orang. Bila masa you nak buat? So if you cannot make it piling, what you have to do? Boleh ke tak buat piling? Is it possible to remove the activities just because to consider the noise complaint from the neighborhood? Boleh ke?
Tak
Kan?
boleh.
Tak boleh. So how? What is your solution as a project manager or project committee? Yang ni we talk about the general public that's why they are our stakeholders, local residents. Ni semua involved in our project. So we have to think about them. So you try to propose to what? To install the noise barrier. Okay, betul. Ada noise barrier kan? And you kena monitor the noise is how much is the limit, what is the maximum noise frequency, something like that. And the thing that you can do is provide the noise barrier, but for sure you cannot cover all. But maybe the time operation you cannot pile for the long hours. Maybe you need to do bit by bit, and also during the busy times only, which is maybe in the morning, not early morning, or maybe in the afternoon. Okay, that everybody is awake and you are not disturbed the rest time of the patient. Basically after 8 p.m. what you have to stop the operation, for example. Okay, so these things sometimes you need to know. Okay, so that's why they said involve this stakeholder. Okay, because dia akan masuk dia akan report once you dapat complain, then majlis datang lah. Okay, so about the MRT project, just now I said usually the project we get the feedback from the community. So they will ask, is it the project need to do something during the operation of the construction and so on. Okay, and then we take into account. Okay. For example, like you said, public access, or maybe the safety of the pedestrian, and many things, okay? And also, nampak ni ada media kan? Media pun sometimes we have to entertain sometimes project mega, you have to entertain. So the overview of the Malaysian construction industry, what is that? Is it important ke tak important kat Malaysia?
Important.
Is it our main activities in Malaysia? If you look at around us, still have the construction or not?
Yes, ada.
Still ada kan? So since in 2006 they said the gross the GDP for the construction industry is increased like 2.7%. Okay, and also they said the decline in construction performance recent years result to the need strengthen construction foundation through project management, face the current future challenges. Okay, they mentioned that our performance for the construction project is decline, meaning that they are not really well performed, which means that they probably they have a lot of project is behind the schedule, means delay lah. Okay, so that's why we need to encounter this issue and try to see what is the problem and try to solve, okay, with the project management skill. Okay, so what is the GDP class? They say what is the market value of all officially recognized final goods and services produced in the country within a year or given period of time. So GDP per capita is often considered indicator of the country's standard of living. So siapa boleh tengok berapa GDP Malaysia? If you want to know that country is a good, you have to check their GDP. So berapa Malaysia? 2024? Anyone? Ada tak answer?
$500 billion USD.
Huh? Half trillion? Half trillion Is it a lot?
A
Banyak.
lot.
Banyak. Is it good or not good? Good or not good?
Terlampau tinggi.
The highest is good lah. Okay, so which the highest ranking good GDP countries at the moment? And you rasa you tahu?
Singapore.
Not the letters maybe. Maybe it's under the list but not the letters.
China.
China on the
United States.
United
S.
States.
United States.
Yes. Yeah, that's country. Okay, US, China, lagi apa?
Japan.
Germany.
Japan, German, lagi. These are all the high GDP. Why Singapore is not? One thing, Singapore maybe they don't have the production. They are lack of production because they said dekat sini is they are the goods tau to be produced by the country. So that's why Singapore is not one of the list of the high GDP because they don't have the something to produce, right? Maybe macam other countries dia ada minyak, okay, ada oil, or dia ada what they call plantation, and many lah. Like China and US, I believe because of the military stuff, I think. That's why they are high. Kan? Betul tak? So that one will be affected. And so the GDP will affect the our construction industry as well. Okay. So if you look at here, they said the current value of final, okay, in the country given period, okay, total income of nation, they said, and measure the nation economic well-being. The next, how does the economic grow, and GDP will concern with the legal market transaction. Okay. So what they said, consume, investment plus what? Consumption.
Government spending.
Government spending plus export.
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 Export means kita export ke kita export maknanya kita kena ada
Export dekat negara orang.
Keluarkan barang.
kena ada keluarkan barang. We have a final products, okay. That is the export. Okay, so these are the GDP. So we must have something to sell outside. Okay. So GDP is equal to all the spending by household, blah blah blah. Here. Okay, also the dollar value of nation goods, okay, service given period in notion border. So we also have the what issue yang they said high debt. Betul ke? How to account, I mean how to solve this problem with the high debt? Betul ke Malaysia in dilemma on settling the debt. Betul ke? Siapa tahu? Nobody knows. Semua tengok TikTok tapi tak tahu apa-apa. Berapa? How much is our debt?
Apa Brandon tak faham?
Betul ke kat Malaysia? Okay. They said we have high debt. Hutang.
High tech.
High debt.
Right.
Hutang.
Betul.
Berapa?
Betul.
Kalau you tahu.
260 billion.
Tu bila?
June 2024.
June 2024 berapa? Berapa tadi?
260 billion.
260 billion USD.
Yes.
I rasa macam lebih lagi. 260 billion lah. 260 billion. Oh yes, at the moment 200. I rasa maybe half kot. Not 200 is like the prediction in the next 10 years. So that one is they estimate in this year or dia kata 2000 years. Is it a lot? Billion. How to settle the debt, this one. So the GDP must be strong. So we need to cover the economy in Malaysia. So last time, if you remember, our currency is dropped down because of the issues, okay, the scandals and so on will be affected. So we will see how our countries, if we are no scandal for the corruption and so on, actually the country will be sustained. Just because of the issues, corruption lah kan. Semua ada corruption. It's just like they know how to manage it or not. And then how to make the countries develop. Okay, so kalau you tengok kat sini, what is included in GDP? Ada apa? Consumption by household, investment, government expenditures, net export. This one is value export of good and service minus values import good and services. So dia campur semua ni. They must plus all these things baru dapat GDP kira. So what is not included? Intermediate good is a component of final goods. Part of the final goods is not the products, okay? Used good, second hand. This one is not counted. Okay, and then underground production, illegal business, the one that is not reported, and also the financial transaction, stock loans, okay, which is this one is just a temporary, and also the transfer payment from government, education, welfare, and voluntary work. So this one is not counted as a GDP. Boleh baca this one. You can understand what is the immediate goods. And then what is the second hand? The black market. And then financial transaction. Okay, transfer payments. This one is not considered as under GDP. Okay, so if you look at here, this one in 2017, so our GDP from construction Malaysia, average is 9,000 million. 9 billion kot, this one, okay? In 2014 until 2016. And then this one decrease. Bila decrease, this one decrease. So actually for our construction industry, if you look at before, is quite low. And actually is considered increasing. Is because our country is keep have the development. Okay, we are not just a stop or stagnant. Okay, we always have the project. Okay, to fulfill the to cover the population. Okay, our country is a quite high population. It's not too low compared than other countries. Okay, decreasing factors of GDP. Why? Because of inflation. So we are now at the inflation or not? When is our inflation years? Siapa tahu?
COVID.
Ha?
COVID.
Tak dengar, tak dengar. OPR?
Zaman COVID.
Zaman COVID. Zaman COVID is quite struggle zaman COVID. In 1997 if I'm not mistaken, that one pun inflation during my time. 1997 you all dah born ke? Belum. Belum Semua tahun
Belum.
bila?
Belum lagi.
Belum lagi. So maknanya you are facing the COVID time kan? That time is consider is inflation okay at that time 2020 okay or 2019 until to 2021 macam tu okay. So it's one of the declining in the purchasing power at that time. Okay, and our currency rate also reduced. And rising of price also affected and increasing price of good. Okay, so involvement of project. Ada apa ni? Sekejap, wait. Management in Malaysia. So they said have the PMI has been formed here, okay, and also have the PM book guide for the project management to upgrade their skills, and they have the PMI Malaysia chapter founded, okay, to ensure that we have a practice in the PM project management skills, and also to focus apply the sustainable development in the construction process. Okay, here is the timeline. How is the project management has been say that improved, okay, or have been acknowledged or have been practiced in Malaysia. Last time before that, okay, they are not a strong what they call project management. It's just like they just do the project as is, okay. So with the project management skills, by having the professionals, okay, the improvement in the process will be increased. It has been increased. So that's why we need the skills. So what is the PMI? It's the world leading not for profit global professional organization for the project management, knowledge, information, and professionalism. So this is the international organization professional. So it's not based from Malaysia. Okay, it's from outside, and they have set up in most of the country that are what they call developing. Okay, those who the country that needs the skills and also the project management enhancement. Okay, especially when they have a project, a lot of construction project, so they need the PM. Okay, so they said the PMI is what? Set industry standard, conduct research, provide education. They have many other tasks also, okay? Not only provide the training and also the certificate. So this is the PMI provides other PM book guide, okay, for your reference, and then they have certificate, they have research center, publication, okay, and those are the needs from the industry. Okay, types of PMI certificate, they have PMP, Project Management Professional, and also Certified Associate Project Management. So this one is the highest, okay. But this one they can get with the experience. If they are not sit for the exam, they can opt for the CAMPM, but through their knowledge or their experience. But this one you have to answer the test or assessment. Okay, objective of PMI certificate. What is the objective? To provide professional recognition, expedite professional advancement. Okay, create jobs opportunity. Once you ada PMP, the company will be get a bonus, like what they call benefit for them. Okay, because you have that certificate. With that certificate, you can convince the organization that show you are competent enough to become as a project manager. Okay, the effect of project management through economy, increase quantity and quality, opportunity to expand the service will become limited. Okay, and improve growth development, increase enhance customer satisfaction, and also better flexibility. Okay, so the effect of project management through economy. Who can read? I want someone to read. Amir Imran, are you there?
Yes, madam.
Oh, function. Okay, can you read for me the flow faster?
The first one is better efficiency in delivering services.
Okay,
Lepas tu baca yang bawah dia.
can.
Project management provides a roadmap that is easily followed and leads to project completion. Once you know where to avoid the bumps and potholes, in stands to reason that you're going to be working smarter and not harder and longer. The
Okay.
second one is enhance effectiveness in delivering services. The same strategies that allow you to successfully complete one project will serve you many times over. The third one is greater standing and competitive edge. This is not only a good benefit of project management within the workplace, but outside of it as well. Word travels fast and there is nothing like superior performance to secure your place in the marketplace. The fourth one is increased risk assessment. When all the players are lined up and your strategy is in place, potential risks will jump out and slap you in the face. And that's the way it should be. Project management provides a red flag at the right time before you start working on project completion. The last one, enhance customer satisfaction. Whenever you get a project done on time and under budget, the client walks away happy. And a happy client is one you will see again. Smart project management provides the tools that enable the client-manager relationship to continue.
Okay, thank you. All right, so you see the effect. They have a lot of effect. Okay, for the project management. That's why it's very important to have the what they call knowledge. Okay, in order how to manage the project, because it will affect many what they call the supply chain for the whole industry. Okay, like, and at the end, what they want is only the customer satisfaction. That's it. But they want to make sure that efficient in delivery, because service, okay, means that we want to complete the project by construct a building. Of course, we want to make sure that they are within time, within cost, and also achieve the goals. Okay. Challenges faced by Malaysian. What they are facing? Everyone. This one is a stakeholders. Okay. So what they're facing? They said the project must concern on the environment. And then what? Lack of efficiency and effective approach in construction. In terms of the technology, perhaps, okay. Unable to attract local to image on construction industry because of 3D. They have dirty, difficult, and dangerous. They said. Okay, and unable to manage the time and finance in construction. Insufficient knowledge in providing integrated solution. Public view and also bribery, the most difficult challenge. Okay, bribery is what? Class. Why they say it's difficult? Ni. Apa ni? Kat mana you nak bagi ni? What is the bribery? Dekat mana you nak bagi rasuah ni? Why they say most difficult challenges?
To the client.
To the client? Rasuah dekat klien ke?
Untuk menang projek.
Oh, okay. Untuk menang projek. Why difficult? Patutnya senang. Supposedly good.
They promote unhealthy competition among contractors.
Yes. Betul. True. Okay. So when it can okay affect to other contractors. Okay. So it becomes like unhealthy punya industry if they have bribery. That is one of it. Okay. And they have another difficult another challenges juga. Okay, because our industry will be less competitive and cannot what they call cannot contribute in the economy fairly among other contractors if they have that kind of bribery among the contractors towards to get the tender and project. So difficult lah. Okay. Alright. So it's quite challenging. And then what? Client having what? Financial payments problem. Client sophisticated. Unrealistic contract duration. The contractor have what? Poor site management. Improper construction method. And they get contractor experience. So these are the challenges that they face. A lot, So consultant having what? Management again. Labor, they are shortage of the workforce. Lack of the skilled labor. Okay, challenges in the construction industry. Apa dia? Kelas. Nampak tak? Inefficient. Ni challenges in our industry. They said because our industry is 3D. Remember? Dirty, difficult, dangerous. And they have ada a few lagi. D, dah ada 5D kot. And then you identify what is another D. Ada kan? Dirty, difficult, dangerous lagi. Another 2D siapa? Apa cari? Nanti beritahu I. Jumpa tak? What they consider as our construction ni? Inability provide integrated, difficult to integrate. Okay, so challenges in the construction industry? Many cost overrun, time delay, change design, labor issues, safety. Okay, challenge or issue in the construction project. Ada planning, design, construct the whole stages. So they have the administrative, also repair and defects period this time. That one also challenges. Okay, so this one, the problem in the project construction. Okay, so they have what? Peringkat perancangan. What is that? Planning, during design stage, during procurement, during construction. So during construction, they have a lot of issues. These are the common issues that they identified. Okay. A lot. So they ask for the recommendation how to tackle these issues in the construction industry. So these are the suggestions they are provided. Okay. So factors contributing what? To delays. These are apa penyebab cause delay. So selalunya land acquisition, nak dapatkan hak tanah tu. That's another thing. Okay, that one is a very what they call consume time. Okay, about land. And then unsuitable sites, lack of equipment, variation order, delays, and problematic contractors. So banyak issue delays. 7 strategies trust to what? Sorry. Identified. Ada 7. So in terms of integrate, strengthen, strive, highest standard quality, human resources, innovation, and then communication technology, and also benefit from the globalization include export of construction products and services. So the importance of project management, apa dia? You must able to enhance the people skills and give flexible but structured organization. So you are not rigid. Okay, and then human focus. You must focus on the human. Cannot focus on the machine because human we the one who do the work. Okay, and efficiency and effectiveness of the project. Then you have to balance these 3 trade-off. Remember, cost, time, and also objective. Okay, the scope and clear start and clear end. Okay, good planning. Less mistake. Okay, understand semua about the importance of project management? Boleh faham tak?
Boleh.
Ni quite important.
Boleh.
Do you have any other importance of project management other than can enhance people skills? Ada lain tak? What is the importance of project management? Dia dah cakap dah ni, efficiency and effectiveness of the project. Apa lagi? Importance of project management is for the future project apa? Opportunities. Kan boleh tak you come out macam tu?
Boleh.
Faham tak maksudnya? Dia boleh give a good reputation for the company, for the organization. Yes? Kan betul? Good reputation. Kalau you have the good project management, so the performance has been reported and that one can be references when you want to apply another project in the future. Okay, for the another opportunities. So that is one of the important of project management as well. You mentioned dekat situ that you manage to handle these 3 constraints in terms of cost and also time in order for us to achieve the objective, something like that. Betul tak? So you tak semestinya nak kena ikut this one je. But they have others that related to the importance of project management. Clear class? Habis lah. Thank you. Any questions? You owe me 4 questions. Macam mana? Nak rehat ke tak nak rehat? Ask questions.
Ya, nak tanya.
Yes, Daniel.
Do you ever encounter bribery in your case?
Oh, me.
Yes.
Bribery. So far, I never experienced because we are stick with for the government, we are stick with the policy for the bribery. So, you mean I pernah experience ke for the project?
Yes, doctor.
Tak ada. Yang ada, diorang minta diskaun, macam tu. It's not like bribery. Contoh kalau kita bagi services, dia minta diskaun. Dia tak adalah cakap minta lepaskan testing ke, faham tak? Maksudnya dia bagi duit untuk kita lepaskan diorang punya bacaan testing Tak ada. Dia buat juga dan dia minta diskaun je macam tu. Tapi bukan bribe, tak ada. Bagi barang pun tak ada. Apa diorang bagi Tak ada, bagi makan je. Tak ada. Pergi macam bila habis projek, Then you have allocation for the macam apa project successful dinner lah macam tu ah. So tak ada lah. It's not. Tak ada lagi tak pernah experience. Maybe those yang experience bribe yang I pernah bukan project I lah tapi personal macam polis pernah minta rasuah. Pernah minta rasuah polis. Ada. I pernah experience. Tu lah tapi bukan project. Itu personal punya case, bukannya case ni lah. Yang tu ada tu I pernah experience. Can you imagine? The police pun is not transparent. Lagi? Thank you. Good questions. Lagi? So please avoid the bribery. Tapi my friend ada cerita pasal site, construction site that they have to pay for the macam tuan apa? Yang jaga tanah. I mean macam gangster. So I'm not sure is it consider bribery or not. They got money lah. In order for them to do the construction project kat situ, dia kena bagi duit to them. Okay. Lagi? Any questions? Cukup? You owe me 3 this class. Okay, tak ada dah questions. Dah tick attendance. Okay, I check your attendance. You all sepatutnya ada 52 tau. But now only 30 plus je. I don't know where's the rest. So nanti you all tanya I in the class. Boleh? Another 3. Can? Yes or no?
Boleh, madam.
Okay, so thank
Boleh
you
tak?
very much. See you guys when? Week berapa I tak sure. Week 12? Week I think. See you guys again. Alright? So thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. Take care class.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Doktor.
Madam.
Welcome.
Thank you, Doctor. Take care.
Terima kasih, Doktor.
Okay, sama.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doktor.
Thank you, Doctor.